Bryophyte, amphibian of the plant kingdom. Habit and habitat of bryophytes. Bryophytes are among the simplest of the terrestrial plants. They lack complex tissue system. Most of them are 2 to 5 cm tall. They commonly grow in damp, humid and shaded localities. They are widely distributed throughout the world. They are called amphibians of the plant kingdom because they can live in soil but are dependent on water for sexual reproduction. Structure. The plant body is thallus-like and prostrate or erect. The body is attached to the substratum by rhizoids. They lack true roots, stem or leaves. They may possess root-like, leaf-like or stem-like structure. Sex organs. The main plant body of the bryophyte is haploid. It produces gametes, hence it is called a gametophyte. The sex organs in bryophytes are multicellular. The male sex organ is called antheridium, which produces antherozoids. Female sex organ is called archegonium, which produce egg. Fertilization. Antherozoids are released into water and come in contact with archegonium. Antherozoids and egg fuse together to form diploid zygotes that grow into sporophytes. Sporophytes produce haploid spores by meiosis that grow into gametophytes. Economic importance. Bryophytes are pioneer in establishing vegetation in the barren rocks. They prevent soil erosion. They provide food for herbaceous mammals, birds and other animals. They are used as good packaging material for shipment. They are used in seed beds and greenhouses. Sphagnum is a good source of fuel. Some are used as absorbent bandage. Types of bryophytes. There are 3 types of bryophytes: mosses, liverworts, hornworts. Liverworts. Liverworts are small, less than 10 cm long thallus body. The thallus is dorsoventral and closely appraised to the substrate. They have rhizoids, flattened stems with overlapping scales or leaves. They usually grow in moist, shady habitats such as bank of streams, marshy ground, damp soil, bark of trees and deep of woods. The leafy members have tiny leaf-like appendages in 2 rows on the stem, like example Mercantia. Asexual reproduction by fragmentation and gamete. Mercantia produces special structures on their dorsal surface called gamecops. Gamecops give rise to very tiny lens-shaped body called gamete. The gamete become detached from the parent body and germinate to form new individual. Sexual reproduction. Male and female sex organs are produced either on the same or on different thalli. The male gametes are called antherozoids. The female gametes are called archegoniophore. Antherozoids reach to the archegonia tip with the help of water and get fused with egg and zygote is formed. Sporophyte. The zygote undergoes cell division during development and forms sporophyte. The sporophyte is differentiated into a foot, seta and capsule. The capsule is surrounded by a layer called jacket. After meiosis, spores are produced within the capsule. The spores germinate to form free-living gametophyte. Mosses are small non-vascular bryophyta. They grow in dense green clumps or mat, often in a damp or shady location. They have root-like multicellular rhizoids. They have haplodiploid and diploid life forms alternate to each other. Its predominant stage of the life cycle is gametophyte. Gametophyte consists of 2 stages, protonema stage and leafy stage. Protonema stage develops directly from a spore. It is a creeping, green, branched and frequently filamentous stage. Leafy stage develops from the secondary protonema as a lateral bud. Reproduction in mosses. Asexual reproduction takes place by fragmentation and budding. Sexual reproduction by forming male and female gamete. Male gamete is called antheridia and female gamete is called archegonia. After fertilization, the zygote develops into a sporophyte. The sporophyte consists of 3 structures: foot, seta, capsule. Foot anchors the gametophyte and helps to transfer water and nutrients from the gametophyte. Seta, a long erect stalk. Capsule produces spores. Spores are formed after meiosis. When spores fall into ground, it germinates into a branching thread-like filamentous protonema. Buds from the protonema grow into leafy male or female gametophyte. Example: Phonaria, Polytrichum, and Sphagnum.